In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export HubSpot email as HTML. We'll walk through taking an email you built in HubSpot and saving its HTML to your computer so you can reuse it, share it with a developer, or open it in another tool. I'll keep things clear and simple, and I'll add quick tips along the way so nothing trips you up. Start by opening your web browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using a login with access to marketing email. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar. Hover there to reveal the main navigation, then locate the marketing section. Inside marketing, choose email to open your email dashboard. From the email list, click the specific email you want to export. This takes you to the email's details. Look for the option to view the email as it would appear to a recipient, and click View Email. This opens a live preview of your message in a new tab. Give it a second to load fully so all images and styles are in place. With the preview open, right-click anywhere on the page and choose View Page Source. If right-click is disabled by your browser, use your browser's menu to view the page source instead. Be sure you select View Page Source rather than Inspect. Page Source shows the complete HTML you need. You'll now see a new tab full of code. Press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to highlight everything. Then Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy it. Next, open a plain text editor. On Windows, Notepad works great. On Mac, you can use your default text editor set to plain text. The key is to avoid rich text editors that might change the code. Paste the copied HTML into your editor with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Take a quick scan to confirm it looks like raw HTML and not formatted text. When you're ready, save the file to your computer. Pick a clear location, give it a descriptive name, and add the .html extension at the end of the file name so your system recognizes it as an HTML file. If your editor lets you choose encoding, select UTF-8 to preserve special characters. That's it. You've exported your HubSpot email as an HTML file. You can now double-click it to preview in a browser, send it to a teammate, or use it as a starting point in another platform. Keep in mind that images and links may reference HubSpot or external hosts, so as long as those resources remain accessible, your exported file will render correctly. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!